You will love the features of this 2011 Buick Enclave. This vehicle still has fewer than 110,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Buick Enclave, the midsize luxury SUV that gives you command of the road in safety and comfort with all the mod cons. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power passenger seat, fog lamps, dual zone AC, trailer hitch, heated front seat, third row seat, electronic stability control, power driver's seat. Polished and poised, spacious and powerful. That's the Enclave. Take it for a drive to experience excellence.